Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. So today I'm gonna be doing a Walmart beauty box unboxing. Did you know Walmart had a beauty box? I didn't either. So basically, shout out to Magic Monthly, her YouTube channel. She did a unboxing of the Walmart beauty box, so that's how I found out about this. Basically, the Walmart beauty box is free. Oh, also I'll link Magic Monthly down in the description so you can watch her video too, because credits, of course. But basically the Walmart beauty box just has like, I think a certain amount of beauty products, and it's a free box, but it's only $5 shipping, which is actually a reasonable price for shipping. So I guess it's free, but $5 for whatever's in here, and just that's it. So I think that's a pretty good deal, and we'll just see what's in here. So yeah. All right, so opening the box up, first thing I see here is Pantene Intense Rescue Shots. Treatment targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. So let's open that up now. Oh, what the heck? I think I've seen an ad on YouTube about this, like this exact thing where they're like, oh look, it helps heal my hair. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I've seen this in the ad, which is pretty cool. So let's see how you put it on. So it looks like you just put it on your hand, and then you put it on your hair, and then you just kind of do that. And I guess it helps your hair, so that's pretty cool. This is what it looks like if my light is not too bright. And then this is what the package looks like. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this because split ends have been a problem, but not that bad of a problem, but this is still exciting, so yeah. All right, so next thing I see in this box is Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. So it looks like, basically it's like a lotion when your skin is wet, which is really weird. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Apply daily and experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. So that's pretty cool. After showering or bathing, apply Curel Hydrotherapy to wet skin. Glides on smoothly and absorbs immediately. No need to rinse off or wait. Towel dry is normal. Use daily for best results. So that, oh, I almost dropped it. So that's pretty exciting to try out. It's like, it's a wet lotion, but like, I don't know how I feel about that, but this should be exciting. Hopefully it lives up and keeps my skin moist. Not moist, healthy, soft. Yeah, so let's see what's else is in this box, because I said moist, and I think this is where we should end the video. So next up, so there's like a few like little, like flyers and stuff, but I don't want to look at those right now. Next thing I see here is Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract. 4-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. Oh, so it feels like a little like sheet. That's what it looks like. So yeah, it just feels like a little cloth, and I guess it does a lot of things, so that's pretty cool. A 5-in-1. That's like a lot of stuff in one. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. All right, so next I see is Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. This is so exciting to me because I actually love face masks. Like, face masks are my favorite thing ever, besides bath bombs, but in the self-care realm, face masks my number 2. So this is super exciting. It's Unicorn Glow. So I wonder what that means. And it says hologram mask. Like, what is a hologram? That's so cool. Okay, so here's like the little instructions, and you can see it's hologram, I guess. I mean, hopefully that's what it looks like, because that would be actually really exciting. So yeah. So I guess it's just a regular face mask, but hologram, so that's pretty cool and exciting to try out. All right, so next is Garnier Hold Blends Gentle Shampoo and Gentle Conditioner. So it's this little 2-in-1, so you can feel the conditioner and shampoo in here, and yeah, that's what it looks like. This is pretty cool. I mean, it comes in a little thing. Maybe I might use this when I'm like traveling or something, because who likes to bring a whole bottle, and it's like really convenient and it's nice. So yeah. Alright, so the last thing in this box is a makeup pouch. So this is the makeup pouch that we have here. It's like silvery gray, and it has little raindrops and the little Walmart symbol on the back and this little tassel. So on the inside it's just dark gray or black. Actually that's black, I thought. Yeah, it's pretty roomy. At first I thought there was pockets, but that's just like the inner lining of it. But yeah, it's not really that nice of a bag, and I guess it's kind of like, if you see that, it's like little wrinkles, but I guess that's just the type of bag it is. So yeah, it's not the nicest bag in the world, but you know, I'll take it, and I have a million bags from Ipsy, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but yeah, this is another thing that's in the bag, and actually that's the last thing in this bag. Alright guys, so that was the Walmart beauty box. So that was a pretty exciting experience. All of that for $5 I think is a pretty good deal. I know I usually get face masks for like $1, so that in itself is like worth it. And I think the Pantene shots are also probably worth it. I mean, look at the stuff I got again. Oh, but yeah, the Curel thing is probably like, for that size, I don't know, like $7. So I think this is a really exciting, really good box, and hopefully these things will do what they say and help my hair and my skin, because they need help. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, comment down below. If you want to see more unboxing, or more unboxings, or like any other video you want to see, just comment down below. And yeah, like I already said, comment and subscribe if you like this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Hey, bye.